Exercise 1-1, Start Word. Click the Start button on the Windows taskbar and point to all programs. On the All Programs menu, click Microsoft Office and then click Microsoft Word 2010. In a few seconds, the program loads and the Windows screen appears. Exercise 1-2, Identifying the ribbon and the Quick Access Toolbar. To become familiar with Word, start by identifying the parts of the screen you will work with extensively, such as the ribbon and the Quick Access Toolbar. As you practice using Word commands, you will see screen tips to help you identify screen elements such as buttons. A screen tip appears when you point to a command on the ribbon. When you start Word, the ribbon appears with the Home tab selected. The ribbon consists of 8 tabs by default. Each tab contains a group of related commands, and the number of commands for each tab varies. A command can be one of several formats. The most popular formats include buttons and drop-down lists. The Quick Access Toolbar contains frequently used commands and is positioned above the ribbon by default. You can minimize the ribbon so that only the names of the tabs display, or you can place the Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. The commands on the Quick Access Toolbar are available for all tabs on the ribbon, and you can customize the Quick Access Toolbar to include the commands you use frequently. Move the mouse pointer to the File tab on the ribbon. Click the left mouse button to open the Backstage view. The Backstage view replaces the Microsoft Office button and the File menu from earlier versions of Microsoft Word. It lists commands to create, open, save, print documents. The navigation pane appears on the left side of the Backstage view and includes a list of quick commands. Click the Info command to view information about your document. When a document is open, the Info tab displays the document properties such as size, number of pages, and number of words. You can also see when your document was last modified. Click on the File tab to close the Backstage view. Move the mouse pointer above the File tab to the Quick Access Toolbar and point to the Save button. A screen tip and a keyboard shortcut to save a document display. Point to the command to the right of the Save command. Notice each command includes descriptive text and a keyboard shortcut. The Save, Undo, and Repeat commands are located on the Quick Access Toolbar by default. Move the mouse pointer to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Insert. Notice the change in the number and types of groups displayed. When you point to a ribbon tab, the name of the tab is outlined but not active. Click the Ribbon tab to display the commands. Click the Page Layout tab. There are 5 groups of commands on the Page Layout tab. Point to the Margins command. Read the screen tip. Margins. Select the margin side for the entire document or the current section. click the Home tab. Move the mouse to the right of the last tab on the ribbon and locate the caret symbol. This symbol represents a button and is used to minimize the ribbon. Click the Minimize the Ribbon button and notice that only the ribbon tabs and ruler display. The Minimize the Ribbon button changes to Expand the Ribbon button. Click the Expand the Ribbon button to restore the ribbon. The keyboard shortcut to minimize the ribbon is Ctrl F1. To restore the ribbon, press Ctrl and F1. You can also double-click any tab on the ribbon to minimize the ribbon. Double-click a tab to restore the ribbon. Exercise 1-3, Identifying Commands. Use the ribbon to locate and execute commands to format and edit your document. Commands also control the appearance of the Word screen. You can access ribbon commands by using the mouse or a keyboard access keys. 1. Activate the Home tab. Locate the paragraph group and click the Show Hide button, located here. This button shows or hides formatting marks on the screen. Formatting marks display for spaces, paragraph marks, and tab characters. The command toggles between show and hide. Press the Alt key. Small lettered or numbered squares called key tips appear on the File tab. Quick access toolbars and ribbon to access or execute a command. Press the letter P on the keyboard to select the Page Layout tab. Press the letter M on the keyboard to display the Margins gallery. Press Escape to close the gallery. Press Escape twice to turn off the key tips. Locate the vertical scroll bar and click the View Ruler button. Notice the rulers disappear from the Word screen and reappear. Then click the ruler button again to display the rulers. Locate the Zoom button on the status bar. You can only see the status bar if your screen is small enough. Click the Zoom button to open the Zoom dialog box and click 200%. Then click OK. This text area is magnified and you see a portion of the page. Point to and click the Zoom Out button. The document magnification changes to 190%. Click the Zoom In button twice to change the magnification to 210%. Drag the zoom slider to 100%. The document returns to normal display. Keying and editing text. The insertion point is the vertical blinking line that marks the position of the next character to be entered. The mouse pointer takes the shape of an I-beam when it is in the text area. It changes to an arrow when you point to a command on the quick access toolbar or the ribbon. The paragraph mark indicates the end of a paragraph. The paragraph mark displays when the Show Hide Paragraph button is selected.